Hey guys, this is Fantasia from the Mastery Math Lab, and today I'm going to be going over how to find the inverse of a graph. So here we're given a problem that says, given the graph to the right, which will be this graph, find the inverse from the options below. So what we need to recall here is if we're given a graph, the way we find the inverse is we just reflect it over the line y equals x. Reflect it over. So the line y equals x is just going to be a diagonal line that goes straight through the origin and has a slope of 1. So this blue line right here. So we can just go ahead and draw that line in all of our options. So we can double check to see which one's actually going to reflect over this line, and that will be our inverse. So let's start by focusing on what our original function is in all of these options. So it's going to be this red line here. And we want to see which other graph they give us actually is reflecting over. So if we start with our first option, that's going to be this line right here. And you can see that doesn't actually reflect over this blue line because we don't have any points over here, which we should have if it actually reflects that way. So this one's actually going to be a reflection over the x-axis, like this. So we know that's not going to be our answer because it doesn't reflect over y equals x. So now let's look at the second one, which is going to be this. And again, that's not going to be our graph because we don't have any points over here. Because if we were to reflect over y equals x, we'd have points right there. So that one won't work. If we look at the third one, which is this, we actually do have a reflection over y equals x. You can see we have a point here that reflects to right here. Right there we have reflection, and right here we'd have a reflection. So all of our points seem to reflect over this middle line. So that seems like our answer. We'll just go ahead and prove that the last one isn't our answer either. So if we look at the other graph they give us, it looks kind of like that, which kind of looks like it might, but let's just look at exact points. So here we have a point right here. If it were to reflect over y equals x, we'd have to have a point right here, which we do not. So because of that, that can't be our option either. So that means the third graph that they give us is going to be our answer. Just get rid of these notes. This will be our answer. So all we have to do when finding inverses is just reflect it over the line y equals x. I hope that helps, and if you still have trouble with this concept, feel free to reach out for additional help. Thanks for watching.